Right, welcome Asmeet.
Hey, I'm Asmeet Bhatia. I'm the founder of Northville Consulting. My firm deals with startups, and we're basically a consulting firm which helps startups with everything from their incorporation. I found out about BCM through a friend. It was basically a referral, and I required the services of a company which could help me with the branding for Northville, as well as help with the website. And my friend suggested that BCM is a perfect place to go to because they offer all their services under one roof. I had my first meeting with Darshan, and it was a very professional meeting, and I liked the way they went about everything. So I decided to go ahead with BCM at the end. Before going to BCM, I was looking around, talking to different vendors for a website, a separate vendor for my logo, as well as a third person to help me with the branding for my firm. But when I got to know about Black Cherie Media, I realized that they offered all these services under one roof itself. So that made my job a lot more easier. Yes, because I think they were very professional. They had also done a lot of work with other brands, which was all available on the website and on the Instagram page. So that gave me confidence in going ahead with them. How they helped me was that they understood the field in which I was getting into, the type of clients that I would be dealing with. They gave me good suggestions to make sure that the branding for Northville was professional and in line with what my requirements were. Well, my initial expectations were that that the whole journey with them would be smooth and things would get completed in time. And fair to say, they exceeded my expectations. Everything went very smoothly. But on top of that, they also gave a lot of suggestions, which were very helpful and helped me get a very good website at the end of the day. So I think this was where they went over and beyond. Plus, they have a very young team. And because of that, all of them had very different viewpoints, all of which I considered, when designing and finalizing the end product. Yes, well, as I mentioned, right, BCM offered everything under one roof, so I didn't have to go to 3 or 4 different vendors. I had one vendor for my website, for the branding, for my logo, as well as for my basic SEO services as well. So I had everything under one roof, so that helped me save a lot of time and effort of dealing with multiple vendors. And, I think that was a big plus. Throughout the time when the website was under development, they were very transparent with everything. We had frequent meetings in between where they would show the progress they have done, and I could also share any ideas I had over this period. And they were willing to make changes at all stages. So they were very flexible with my requirements and very transparent with their progress as well. So I just feel that even after the website was done and after they had performed their end of the deal, they were still very open to any suggestions or changes that are required. And I think that is a big plus point in the service industry. But I would say that they're very proactive. As I mentioned earlier, they're very efficient as well. So if I have a particular issue, I just need to mention it. They create groups at the beginning with their clients, and I think that's a good place where I can put out your issues, and through their team structure, there is someone who will respond immediately and take action on the customer's pain points or queries. So I think it was a very effective. They have a very effective team, and it's a pleasure dealing with them. So, obviously I aim to take Northville to great heights. As I said, I'm dealing with a lot of startups, and as some of these startups grow and flourish, my aim is to also grow with my customer base and client base. The good thing about BCM is that they are ready for small clients as well as larger clients, and as I grow, they're very open in terms of making changes as and when what is required. So I feel it's going to be a good experience working with them in the future as well, and I know that the team is capable of handling any challenges which I might face with respect to my website or with my branding in the future as well. I've already been recommending the services to others, and I feel that they're doing a good job so far. They built a good team ground up. and they should continue working the way they are with a good focus on their customers. Being customer centric in this industry is of utmost importance, and they have the right skill set to deal with a variety of different customers from different industries. So I'd suggest that if you're looking for a website developer or someone to manage your brand, you can definitely go ahead and trust BCM services.